issue and everyone else is allowed. Why is it that we should not be
any trading is legit?
I know, but how is it legit when the council is not passing it though? The council will never give us. I understand what you're saying, brother, but listen, if we apply for a license on this day, the council will never give us a license to trade outside. I know that, you know that. So let's be honest.
We'll discuss it another time after we finish now, okay?
Yeah, no, we're not, but it's not right now, because at the end of the day, we here as a culture, we can't even celebrate our own culture. This ain't no music. In London, we leave. In the park, you block us in like we are animals, yeah? In cages. In Leeds, you can walk through anyone to walk through Leeds. Yeah? No, but everything. If you go to Leeds, you can walk through Leeds with anything. Yeah? And there's no problem. In Manchester, you deal with us like kids or something. We've got no rights. Yeah?
You do.
But what rights have we got?
The council want you to take part in the community celebration inside the
I know, but what I'm saying to you, I hear what you're saying, but I'm not sure. You go to Leeds, you go to London, yeah? All those people are allowed to sell on the street.
I can't comment.
You have to be honest though, man. You're a human being. We're not talking about each other here. We're talking about this simple Caribbean celebration. It's a Caribbean celebration.
All I can say.
But the council's not being honest with us because he's saying that we should apply for a trading license. If we apply for a trading license on a day like this outside, they will never give it to us. So, no, I understand, but we're just having a conversation. It's not fair. I know, but it's not fair though, bro. You get me? They're talking to us like we got no say. Yeah? Like you're dealing with us. Listen, London is allowed to have their carnival on the street everywhere. Leeds, listen, when we go to Leeds, I can walk in with my alcohol, with anything. Anyone can walk in Leeds with a knife, a gun, anything, a bomb, anything, yeah? And they will be allowed. No police will search, no one. Everyone's sat on the street, everything's fine, music playing, everything is fine. In Manchester, they plug us in like a sheep in a pen. We've got to line up. If that's a health and safety in the park. Would you agree that's a health and safety issue in the park? Because if you set the barrier around the park is going to have a boundary, you put a boundary inside the park. No. How could you barrier around the park and say there's risk of sex? How does that make sense? What if something happens and people need to run out? It's only 2 entries. How? There's not enough people there. Come on, listen, it's logic. We're not doing it right. And there's something's not going right with our culture. And there's no one in North Side Manchester standing up for that.
Thanks for watching Jamaica Life Abroad TV. Please like, share, and subscribe.